Here's how to deactivate your Facebook account here in 2026. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. You can see I'm on my iPhone and my Android. What you're looking for is the menu button. So you can see on the iPhone at the bottom right, it says menu. However, your iPhone might look different. It might just say profile, and there might be 3 lines at the top left. If you see 3 lines at the top left, tap on that. Or alternatively, if you see menu at the bottom right, and then you don't see the 3 lines, tap on menu. On the Android phone, you can see it's just 3 lines at the bottom right. From here, all we need to do is scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy on both phones, and then tap on Settings on both phones. Again, from here, look for See More in Account Center. After you've done that, scroll down, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom, and then next to Facebook, tap on Manage on your iPhone or Android. Next, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure to choose Deactivate, which is temporary and not permanently delete. Scroll down and tap Continue at the bottom. After you've done that, just enter in the password for your account and go through the process of deactivating your account so that you'll be able to take a break. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.